I don't have to go on YouTube to watch videos because this is the YouTube newsletter I'm getting every single day by using a simple N8N automation. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to do it yourself. The whole system works like this. Every day at 8 a.m., our workflow triggers, and our agent gathers any videos posted within 24 hours, sends to the transcript API, which will further be forwarded to Claude, who will summarize the videos. At the end, we receive summaries through email, with links included. How easy is that? Well, let me show you. All right, guys. To start things off, let's add a simple execute node. Since we need our agent to read the YouTube feed, we need an RSS node. We're not going to add anything yet, but make sure that you change the name of this mode to YouTube RSS. That's going to be important for the steps that are coming up. After that, we need a code node. Yes, we're going to do some coding here, but everything you need is in the description of this video. Just open the link below and copy everything you need. Anyway, we need this code to filter videos posted within the last 24 hours, ensuring our agent only includes recent content. With the YouTube RSS and filter node in place, the next essential step is adding an HTTP node. This allows us to integrate the transcript API with our agent to transcribe the videos. Under the URL, paste this URL. Again, you have everything you need in the description of this video. For authentication, select a generic credential type and search for bearer. I already have my API key paired up, but you'll have to click on Create New Credential. Here you want to paste your key, but to get it, you need to go to transcriptapi.com and create your account. After that, click on API, copy your key, and you're good to go. Copy, paste. Good boy. Make sure to turn on Send Query Parameters. We're gonna do some stuff here. First, type in video_URL, and under value, we're gonna paste this JSON code right here. This means the transcript API will take and read every video URL from our previous node. Then add another parameter, call it format, value JSON. For the third parameter, include _timestamp. False. Last but not least, send _metadata. False. We're not done yet because we need to add another option called response. Click on Never Error, and for the response format, choose JSON. The most important step is to rename this node to getTranscript. We'll need that for later. Now we have to add the chat model that will essentially give us a summary. I decided to go with Claude since it works really well with the transcript API. Just make sure that you pick the message a model option. You have to connect your Claude API key. I already have mine, but the process is essentially the same as pairing the transcript API with N8N. Once you have everything connected, leave the operation at message a model, then select the latest model, and under the prompt message, we're gonna paste this. That's a custom prompt, so I wanted to remind you that everything is in the description of this video for easy access. Leave your role as a user and that's it. We're almost done, but now we need another Java code. This code will create that clean email interface, and without it, you're just gonna get a basic text. If you know a thing or two about coding, you can play around and create your own dedicated interface. But for me, this works like a charm. Now that we have everything set up, the last node we're gonna connect is the Gmail node. So click that and search for Send a Message. Again, you will have to connect your Google account, but that's easy since you don't need API keys anymore. Now add your email address where you want to receive the daily newsletter. Under the subject, you can write anything you want. Make sure that your email type is set to HTML, and under the message, we need another expression. This tells our Gmail node to use the style we have set up in the previous node. Now go on YouTube and search for any channel you want. For reference, I'm going to pick ABC News since they post a lot of videos daily, and I think this could be valuable to have in my daily newsletter. We have to find out what channel ID this channel uses, and I think that the best way to do that is to ask ChatGPT. Having a channel ID is not enough. We need the RSS feed URL. An RSS feed URL is a special web link that lets you automatically receive updates such as new videos. Once you got that, make sure to copy that and go back to our YouTube RSS node that we created at the very start of the video. Click execute to test it out, and if you get something like this, you're good to go. Now we're just going to quickly test it out so we can make sure everything works as promised. Nice. Let's be honest, you have no use for this if you have to manually execute the task, so we're going to delete our manual trigger node and replace it with a schedule node. Yours should look exactly like this, so don't change anything except the time you want to receive your daily newsletter. I like to set mine to 8 a.m. so I can check everything out while drinking that fresh coffee in the morning. Connect your scheduled trigger to RSS node. And don't forget to set this whole workflow to active because otherwise it won't work. That's it. Now you can receive your daily newsletter. One last time, everything you need is in the description of this video. But if you have any problems or questions, make sure to let me know in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.